In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install magnet clasps on a cabinet door. This is a really easy job that you can do in just a few minutes, and I'm going to show you a little trick to make it a lot easier. Now, this is a really simple job. All you're going to need is a drill and a screwdriver. So let's get started. Now, the reason we're doing this is because this is my linen closet, and it is stuffed full of towels, and as such, these doors don't always close. Towels kind of push them out. So these magnet clasps are going to help hold the thing shut, so it's not going to look like my doors are half open. My cat's not going to sneak in there. Now let me show you what we got. Now this part is the little trick that I was just talking about. These magnet clasps come with two parts. This part here is the magnet side. This is what you put on the frame. And this is the little metal piece that the magnet attaches to. This is what you put on the door. Now with the set that I got, it came with a little 3M sticky pad here that you can put on the back of it. And I'm going to show you in a second why this makes this installation so much easier. And you want to start this process by deciding where on the door and on the door frame you want to actually put the clasp. Know that this thing will hang a little bit into your opening, so you will have to decide where a good spot's going to be. Now in the case of this door, I'm actually going to decide to put it on the bottom. Most installs I think you'll typically see on the top, but in my case, we're going to go on the bottom to keep it out of the way of all the stuff we're pulling in and out off the top shelf. So we'll start by taking our magnet clasp, putting it right here, just a tad, and we're going to mark where we're going to drill our holes. And then follow that up by installing the actual magnet. So now with the magnet installed on the frame, we're going to take our little metal portion that's going to attach to the door, peel the adhesive cover off of that, and then stick it on the magnet. Now we take the entire door and shut it and push hard against where the magnet is, and when you pull it off, the magnet is now attached to the door. Now the magnet is attached to the door, and now we know it's perfectly aligned, so now we can come in here and drill additional holes. Now I have seen some people say you can just leave it like this, but I don't trust that tape. It's going to eventually back off and become a problem. So we're all done. We've done one door. I've got a couple more to do. It'll just take me a few more minutes, but now when I close this thing, you can see it's going to stay closed, which is exactly what we want. Now, like I said, this is a very easy thing that you can do in just a few minutes at home with just some basic hand tools. Now I will have a link for the clasps that I used, but you don't have to use those. You can pick stuff like this up at your local hardware store, and if what you have already doesn't have that little tape on there, you can use double-sided foam tape and make them yourself. I'll have a link for that down below as well, but you can also pick that up at your local hardware store. If this video helped you out, give it a great big thumbs up. Go down below, please hit that subscribe button. This is the kind of stuff we always have on the channel, helping you DIY your house. And of course, thanks for watching.